Hello guys. Hope you are all okay. It's me here, your boy Bongi. I have a lovely cake from Brandon. This is nice, man. Guys, this is very nice. Anyway, the cake is not an issue. Here we have an issue. An Asus laptop, nice machine, tiny machine. See how tiny it is. It's so thin. Anyway, I believe this is not turning on. Brandy, what is the story here? Guys, it's not turning on at all. Let's see. Press the power button. No lights, nothing. Okay, anyway, this is what you do. Don't panic. Just follow my steps. Alright, I'm done with the cake. Let's go ahead. Let's see. Connect that. That to that. And then you set your your DC bench power supply to 20 volts and make sure you limit your current a little bit low in case there's a short. We don't want to blow the entire system off. We want everything to get hot, short to get hot, not to burn and burn some other things, because a lot of people don't understand the aim of using the DC bench power supply. We buy the DC bench power supplies so that we'll be able to manipulate and control the amps and limit the amps. Get my point? So that's why we buy the DC bench power supply. So if you are able to limit the amps, then don't go high. I don't understand why would you go high. See, one friend of mine, Brandy, like, I don't understand this guy. He goes all the way and set the DC bench power supply to 10 to maximum amps, 10 amps. Imagine if there's a short on that machine, and your DC bench power supply is set to 10. Hi, boo. Hey, sometimes.
What you do?
Okay, guys. Anyway, Brand is one of my students, guys. He won't admit it. I'm teaching. I'm teaching him. Anyway, let's continue, guys. Okay, I've connected. I'm sure you can see this is ground. So I've connected ground there. So let's charge this machine. Okay, it's not turning on. Okay, yeah, it's turning on. I saw it's turning on, and then it went off. ISO, here we go again. Okay, it's on, it went off. Guys, there's a short here, but it's not a straight short. There's a short, yeah, believe me, there's a short here. It's not a straight short. It's the thing. It keeps on blinking. I'm not sure what I can say. There's a short or what, but it seems like there's a short. Let's go ahead. Let's take everything down. I need a star. So guys, see where he keeps on taking my screwdrivers. So we need to. This is so big. I had a lovely screwdriver, a star. The one where you can change the, what do you call this thing, chips. Yes, these ones. Let's see. I'm looking for this screwdriver where I'll be able to change the entire thing. Let's try with this bigger screwdriver. Oh wow, it's working. Oh, now we're having a problem. Can remove that one.
Look at the schematic. I don't see anything else on the other side of the board.
All right, guys, let's go ahead. There we go. This is shorted to ground, I believe so, but it's gonna be very hard to find this short. Do you know why? Because it's not a straight shot to ground. Caesar, can you show us a DC in? Let's see if Caesar can show us a DC in. Where's the DC in? Caesar? Guys, we have Caesar here to show us a DC in. I'm pointing the board and Caesar is looking the DC in there, trying to... Don't take it away, Caesar, just be fast. You see, guys, the importance of knowing the story. This is a DC in, okay? Caesar, show us the fuse or the first MOSFETs. Okay, we have the coils here. Guys, let me show you how the entire thing works. I want to show Caesar. I want to show Caesar how the entire thing works, because Caesar needs to master this. Hold on. There we go. I want to show you this, guys. We need to see this. We need to understand the entire thing. Okay, anyway, I get a lot of messages from people asking me about my microscope, where I bought my microscope, all those things. I'm now used to that. I'm now used to those questions of people asking me where I bought my microscope. Okay, check here, observe here. I want you to be very smart with this. Let's trace the 19 volts. We are tracing what? The 19 volts, because the machine is not turning on, and I believe, or I think, there's a short on the 19 volts power rail. So here you got 3 dots or 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means this 19 volts goes underneath this port and then come back with these four power lines. Let's see if maybe I'm wrong or right. Let's check that the underneath. Where is it? Okay, yes, there we go. You can see those dots again on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, the 19 volts travels with this coil. I've been telling Caesar this thing 1,000 times, and I'm now tired of telling him that after a DC inject you will have coil, or you will have a fuse, or it can't be, guys, anything. It can't be anything. Otherwise, it can also go straight to a first MOSFET. It doesn't matter, because this thing has been done by different engineers. So don't tell me, just understand it. So after the DC inject, here on this one, on this specific board, we have what? Those 4 dots. But before those 4 dots, we have this coil. And then the main 19 volts goes here. If you rotate this, you'll see here that those dots are where? Are here. And then just follow this thing. Follow this power rail, this trackpad. You follow it. When you follow this trackpad, it reaches what? The first MOSFET. After a first MOSFET, it reaches what? The second MOSFET. After a second MOSFET, what do you have? A current sensor. Even the name itself is telling you that this thing, it senses for what? For current. It's current sensor. A laptop needs to know how much power, how much current it's withdrawing from the charger. You get my point? For example, you can have a PC turning on with 400 milliamps. You get my point? But just play a game or do a hard task, you'll see your current will change from a DC power supply. It's gonna start taking 2, 1. Who notified the laptop to take more current? It's this thing, the current sensor. It's report to where? To this chip. I'm sure this is a charging chip. It's report to PQ using these sensors, current sense, 1 and another point. Guys, this is so simple. Anyway, I believe there's a short there. Since I believe that there's a short there, what do we do? It's easy. Breathe, drink water, drink beer, whatever you are drinking. You take your multimeter and you check for voltages. Okay, so let's check for shorts to ground. So what you do, it's easy. You turn your multimeter into a range of continuity mode. Sorry, man. You check if you're getting 0. You're getting 0. 1 probe to ground. Check for shorts to ground. Let's go. Let's zoom in. Let's focus. Yes, there's a short to ground. There's a straight short. There's a straight short to ground. There's a short to ground. Anyway, hold on. Let me show you. I want you guys to see everything. All right, guys. Let's do it again. Let me show you. I want you to see everything. I repeat again. This is how you test. You put 1 probe to ground and you touch where you think there's a short. And the multimeter is beeping, says 0, 0. Hope you can see a multimeter there. It's 0 0. There's a straight short to ground. Anyway, today let's do something new. Let's try to find a short without using what? A DC bench power supply. Let's try. I'm gonna try. There's a high possibility that I won't be able to detect. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I can't find the short to ground. I've been looking. Okay, fine. All right, guys. Anyway, I tried to look for a physically balanced thing or whatsoever, but I failed. So this is what you do. There's a short here to ground. There's a short here to ground. Short to ground. Short to ground. Anyway, let's do this. Okay, let's make the life much more easier for everyone. Do you know how, right? This is what you do. Stretch the surface. But be careful not to stretch the entire board. We're not damaging the board, we're just stretching to expose the contact. We're not killing a board, please. Okay, after this we need flaxi. Someone took my flaxi, but it's okay. It's okay. You need a wire and you put flaxi. And again, let's remove the heatsink. Let's remove the heatsink. Okay, guys, you remove the heatsink. Heatsink out. You remove the heatsink. Heatsink is out. Now what's next? Okay, now we solder a wire there. I have to solder a wire there because we're trying to inject what? To inject the 19 volts. We're using a brutal force. This is called a brutal force. This is not a nice way. This is not a good way. This is not a friendly way of fixing a board. But we have to do it anyway. Okay, there we go. So you take your wire. Wire has been connected. So you connect your wire like this. This is how you connect your wire, guys. You connect your wire like this. It's easy, don't panic. This is how you connect your wire. Anyway, let's go ahead. And then this thing here, this is where you put what? This is where you put your 19 volts from the DC bench power supply, and the other probe you connect it where on the ground. These two holes are ground. These two holes are ground, guys. Now we have to limit the DC bench power supply a little bit. Push it down, 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 down. It's fine. Turns on. Something is taking 1 amp and 0 point something volts. Let's see which part is that. Let's search for that party. The CPU is dead. I'm joking. Guys, something is taking 1 amp. Something is taking 1 amp. Or there. I can't find a spot where the motherboard is getting hot. Guys, I can't find a spot where the motherboard is getting hot. Someone is telling me to put alcohol. Imagine, as if I'm gonna see where the board will get hot. Somewhere around this place. So what you do? You change, you increase your thing to 2 amps. Now taking 2 amps. Okay, guys, this is the issue. And exactly as I thought, that this MOSFET here, the one causing this. So I'm gonna put alcohol and then remove that MOSFET. Guys, you don't just put alcohol everywhere. You put alcohol once you know where to put alcohol. Because someone is telling me to put alcohol all over the motherboard, but now we have exactly say the location where to put alcohol from. Let's see. Okay, I didn't see this. Let's repeat. Okay, let's repeat, guys. Okay, hope you saw. This is the guy, the bad guy. Let's go ahead. Let's remove the bad guy. 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 Okay. Okay, guys, I have removed the bad guy. Now, this is what you do. Listen to me carefully. You take your multimeter, right? And then you check the multimeter. Okay, let's push the microscope aside. Take your multimeter and you check for shorts to ground. No shorts anymore. The short is gone. See there? Check the multimeter there, guys. The short is gone. The short is gone. The short is gone. Exactly as I thought. This was the guy causing a short. See? See? This is a short set to ground. So we have to remove this guy. Okay, we have removed this guy. We have to replace this guy's symbol. And star. Okay. So now this is what you do. You have to prepare the pads. Prepare the place where to put what. You put flags in. You put the microscope. All right, this is it. Now let's okay. Wait. Let's remove this. You remember this where we were injecting the 19 volts. Since we're now okay, let's remove this guy. All right, this is sharp. So what you do, you clean with alcohol. Okay, guys, you clean. Now let's put back let's put back that guy. You know that guy. You know that guy, right? That guy. Where's that guy? Where that bad guy? The good guy. Let's put back a good guy now. Let's put a good guy. Okay, there we go. We have to put another MOSFET. All right, guys. I have a no, it's fine. I have a donor board. Since this is shorted, I have a donor board. Okay, now we're fine. All right, this is what you do. Let's check the MOSFET. Let's see which one is fine. Okay, fine, no reading. It's no reading. Let's reverse the probes. 498. No doubt I'm using this one. 498. I'm not using it because he told me to. I'm using it because I have to. Okay. Guys, do you wanna see, guys? I was fine. Let's see under the microscope. Amazing, yup. Yeah, everything is fine. This is 6504, and what's the number for this one? Because I have to be sure that they are both N channel MOSFETs. I'm not sure which one is N, which one is P, but they have to be both N, if I'm not mistaken. Because normally the PWM, the pulse width module from the CPU, is normally powered by the N channel MOSFETs because they are easy to control, unlike the P channel MOSFETs. Okay, this is a RDM03. Search there. Okay, guys. There's the number there, guys. This is how you search it. It's RDM. I think that's 003 or 03. I can't tell, but fine.
Okay, same one.
It's what?
No, not same.
Okay, no. There's the number 400,
Yeah.
6 N. Search it there, guys. Yeah, that's a shit. Brendan is checking if I do have the correct MOSFET because I've replaced this one 6504. It's N channel MOSFET. It's alpha and omega. Now I have to be sure. Now I can use this website. Use this.
Oh wait, I've got the schematic.
Okay, guys, there. But there is no numbering. Even if you have the schematic won't assist us because there is no numbering. Guys, okay, I'm done. I'm gonna put back everything in one place. No. I'm gonna put everything in one place.
So you put the Windows 11. Same one I gave you.
Yeah. Where is the thing? But this option where you pressed
Keyboard.
nah for checking screenshots and some other things. Find it now. I need to activate the Windows. God. Okay. Let me see, Brandy. Go back. I'm not be sure.
Look at the in channel in the P channel.
Now you're teaching me.
K channel is facing out and then N channel is facing in.
No, that's not the difference. That's just the signs,
Yeah, I
the
know
symbol.
that's the sign.
Yes, what's the difference? Go do your research proper and then come back and teach me what's up. What is this difference between? Okay, let's see, guys. Okay, guys, I'm done with my first job. This is 100% fine. Normally like to hang them like this. I don't know why I enjoy this. Let's put back everything. Fine. Let's clean this.
I'm serious, boy. I got 6 more laptops there.
I think I'm joking.
Yeah.
I think I'm joking when I'm saying I'm here to chow your mind.
Bong, you would never do that.
Do I chow your mind? Why not?
Yeah, I know.
Let's put back everything step by step. Guys, we're chowing this guy. Hey, we're chowing his money. I'm telling you.
Hey, I should just buy JVP, then I wouldn't have to pay. I think I'll make more money buying JVP than paying JVP. Hey.
Okay, let's see.
JPV computer, you are speaking to Cesar. Hello, how can I help you? Yeah, one boss. Yeah,
They want to shy up already. Hey, you still never got your case.
okay, what's contact? 2 months now. 2 months now.
Sure, before? Ngiyaphila wena? Skills siyazi ukuthi ifoni ayithathali kumina but i-PC yakho inenkinga eserious yabo ukuthi mina cause ngiyicheckile i-LVDS connector yabo ishile yona fine but ukusha kwayo angicabanga ukuthi ikona mhlawumbe cause ukuthi inga-display yabo which makes me wonder again ukuthi kwenzakalani kahle kahle because i-LVDS cable isharp 100% and that display yakho screen 100 kwesinye screen but kuye kusakhona i-display qobo. Yes. And you are currently doing it very kahle kahle. And you are currently doing it. And it's checking versus ngathini bese yabo yang stress kanjani i-PC yakho compatible because I can't understand ukuthi kwenzakalani yabo. Sounds so stupid ukuthi kanti zithini kahle kahle. Yabo. No, even 2 days. I think by Tuesday it will be sharp. Yabo. Yang stress ang Vietnam ay am talk. Yeah, sharp. So next time bakhe ngibhizi shima message mfethu yabo. So ngafuna ukukhuluma nabo from the start. Bahlanye lawo. Bahlanye. Inkinga leyo mfethu yabo because uma uqala ukukhuluma nabo maybe uzokhanya. You never repair. Believe me, I've done this. Man. Ofuna one way.
They want first.
Hey, the thing I'm saying.
That's what I thought you said.
Next time what you don't do
You
please.
say Bong isn't yeah.
Mashini yeah, no, I tell it. Come to ngikho lawo. Kubona straight mfethu yabo. I-simple thing mfethu lo muntu ubhizi uyakhanya ama-PC yabo khona umuntu athi singilele ngidaka utshwala ngibambe usuke ecabangani sange lawo ngingafuni ukukhuluma nabo Ngabasile because abakhuluma nami phela ukuhlani phela maybe she message. Ubelinde simple.
So the customer will think you're ignoring them if you're not answering. If you only
Yeah,
answer now.
when we bamba ke lo muntu busy akhanda.
Just tell them you're busy.
They don't understand ukuthi uthi ngiyabuya bayakhanda bo. I understand. But she message then get when you interpret message. But I'm ngiyeza phela. Unless umuntu unless mama into ebalekile ngampela like business opportunity yabo. And get out the first you know. Because you have seen in some other big companies, you don't see technicians. You only chat with the front desk lady.
The lady, the stupid lady in the front, she
Yeah.
doesn't know about this.
You don't chat with the technician himself.
Yeah, you're right.
Imagine them they want you to speak with me direct
All day.
all day. Now I have to like leave whatever I'm doing and chat with them the whole day.
I don't like doing that because then you'll forget what you're working with.
The other thing, imagine now you're in the middle of a chip or something, you know.
And then you move the chip somewhere.
Now
you
to
can't find
stop
it.
and then focus on them. No, I'm not doing that. You're fucking dumb. Okay, let's see.
I was looking at this battery, it's a big battery. This battery and then the other one, the Acer.
Seems nice though. Seems very nice.
Have you got any Asus chargers here? Oh no, you don't.
Oops. Once company was stable now, I can't. I couldn't do come on my client. Do when I'm checking your cash on cash at the family and focus on now. Maybe figure like what do when I'm lying on top of everything. Let's move card that I'm thinking about. That's my boy. Because I feel like I can't back pull back complain. And I says, I'm just discussing. If it's again of us, but now it doesn't correspond. It's not on them. Imagine then when they're so stupid, they want you to be on WhatsApp the whole day to respond to their messages.
Me on WhatsApp.
And again, same time, they want you to repair their machines.
Yeah,
It doesn't correspond. You can chat with them the whole day.
I don't think you're paying other people. I think you're paying for them.
Don't think. That's what I'm saying. It's part of, not thinking straight.
They don't know there's other people who support all the like Brandon's computers.
English can be fun.
Alright guys, it's not turning on. Not turning on at all.
Battery not dead.
The battery, I believe the battery is flat. So if the battery is flat, let's connect a fan. When I see a fan spin, oh wait, let's remove the battery when you are doing this. Okay. Yeah, I want to buy one like that.
I bought one.
You bought one for yourself? Why?
To sell on a computer.
To sell a PC? Okay. There's no 500 one straight direct.
There's one that I showed you for 500, the plain black one, they sold out though.
Okay.
This has got full RGB fans.
I'm bored. Okay, let's see. See again. Okay, it's not charging, it's not turning on. Don't panic. So now What we do is you take the DC bench, connect the 19 volts there, and you take the ground, you connect ground to ground. Then let's turn on. Okay, it's charging, it's turning on. You can see the fan is turning on. Fan turning on, then stops. I don't know why it's doing that. But it's gonna turn on. Let's wait for it. I believe it's resetting. Let's wait. Anyway, guys, this was a lovely repair, a simple repair. 19 volts, shorted to ground. That's all. But now, the 19 volts, it was a little bit of a problem because when the 19 volts is shorted to ground near the CPU, that doesn't sound good. Okay, now the fan is spinning very fast. You can see the fan. Now we'll see an Asus just now. Okay, still checking 400. The fan is spinning one way, and we have a light on the other side. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. The fan is spinning one way, one way, one way. You can see the light there. Okay, let me show you. There we go. The fan is spinning one way, and the light is flashing there. There's the light. But we have nothing on the stream. Okay, I believe by now the machine should have displayed something. Okay, it's turned off. The fan is no longer spinning. So now it's charging the battery though. So this is what we do now. Let's try. I have to be careful. Okay, it's charging. It's turning. The power button is turning on. Guys, what is the story now? Okay, guys, this is we have nothing on the screen. Okay, the machine is off. Okay, the machine is not turning on with the battery. Let's disconnect the battery. Let's hold the power button for how many seconds? For 60 seconds. Alright, anyway, I will have to turn it on again. Although I don't understand why it's doing that. Connect the charger. It's turning on. But nothing on the screen. And it's checking 22 milliamps. 22 is too low. Do you think we have a corrupted BIOS? But again, how come that the machine was shorted? And now, wait, guys, let me check if that MOSFET was an N channel MOSFET or P. Because now I'm starting to wonder whether I did replace the wrong MOSFETs. I mean, I was sitting on 22. Pressing the power button off. Sitting as 202. Okay, it's now off. It's turned itself on. How is that possible? Okay, this is set. 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 It's off. Then it's turned itself on again. Whenever I press the power button, yeah, this is N channel MOSFET. Okay. Imagine the CPU is warm. You can feel the CPU. It's getting hot. Guys. I think I know where is our problem. Why the SSD is getting hot? Is that normal?
It's on top of the RAM though.
Oh, you mean the RAMs are getting hot?
SSDs get hot.
RAMs are fine, but this is getting hot. Let's remove it. Turn on the dissipate power supply. Now it's worse. It's checking 100 milliamps. No longer turning on. Guys, this is so sad. Okay, anyway, let's think about this. Let's check for shots. Let's check for shots to ground. Guys, this is set. There is a shot to ground on the CPU. Let me do another video.